Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve is a 2,000-acre living museum along the stunning Southern California coastline in North San Diego County. With miles of hiking trails to explore, several options for engaging family-friendly activities, and sweeping views over the Pacific Ocean, Torrey Pines Reserve should definitely be on your family's San Diego itinerary. Across the highway from the Torrey Pines State Beach is the Los Penasquitos Marsh Natural Preserve, which provides a protected breeding ground for many species of birds and fish. The trails of Torrey Pines offer expansive views over the marsh and beach below. Be sure to grab a copy of our Torrey Pines scavenger hunt for kids before hitting the trails. We've got some fun San Diego content on our other site, scavengerhuntkid.com. Stop by the Torrey Pines Lodge, also known as the Visitor Center, to get a beautifully designed Junior Ranger booklet. Your kids will learn about the local flora and fauna as they complete the activities in the booklet. And once done, they can get sworn in as an honorary Junior Ranger. Now, without further ado, here are 2 family-friendly hikes in Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve. The Guy Fleming Trail is an easy 0.6-mile loop featuring a variety of habitats and rare plants. This trail will give you the best views over the nearby marsh and the beautiful coastline of Del Mar to the north. It's a mostly flat trail suitable for strollers, though because of the sandy terrain, we recommend something like a jogging stroller with big wheels. Toddlers love exploring the varied landscapes and views along this trail, as do the bigger kids. There are 2 scenic overlooks that require a small detour and some steps, but these, of course, are optional. Deeper into the reserve, you'll find more trails, including Beach Trail, Yucca Point, and Razor Point, our next recommended family-friendly hike. At this trailhead, you'll often find state park volunteers eager to teach families about the local wildlife found throughout the reserve and in the surrounding area. Razor Point is about 1.5 miles out and back and has more of an elevation gain than the nearby Guy Fleming Trail, including a few sets of stairs. Maybe save this one for the older kids. The views from this trail are nothing short of spectacular. If you want to make it a longer hike, Razor Point Trail connects to Yucca Point and the Beach Trail, allowing you to wander farther. While at Torrey Pines, don't forget to look up. You may see pelicans, biplanes, or even helicopters flying over the coastline. And if you're lucky, you may even see some paragliders. Just a short drive from the reserve is Glider Port, a fun place to watch the paragliders soar along the coast. Afternoon is the best chance to see the gliders, though whether or not anyone is flying is totally dependent on the weather. If anyone in your family is feeling extra adventurous, tandem rides are available for all ages. If you're planning a trip to San Diego with kids, you'll definitely want to check out our family-friendly guide to America's finest city. Within this 30-page guide, you'll find information on weather, transportation, lodging, things to do, family-friendly dining, and money-saving tips. There are features on Balboa Park, Cabrillo National Monument, Old Town, Torrey Pines, La Jolla, Mission Bay, Coronado Island, and more. Hop on over to our other site, scavengerhuntkid.com, to find the guide and to get your copy of the Torrey Pines Reserve Scavenger Hunt for Kids. Want to see more awesome travel videos? We've got plenty on our channel. Check out some of our other content and subscribe below to follow our adventures.